Yo, 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 guys, guess what time it is? It's time for another speaker review! Oh my god! It's time for another speaker review. And guess what we got in the villa, guys? We got the bass rod. You guys are like, what do you call it, the bass rod? Wait until you hear this Nakamichi. It's not like a Bose. It's not like a Klipsch. It's not like a Ploke. It's not like a Barn Wilkins. It's all its own company. So, we are going to do a test. We are doing the 1 mil extreme bass test. I want 80 subs on this because I think this is going to be our world's best bass test ever. Like, legitly, ever. And yeah, I think I did bass test on you. I'm not sure. I did do a bass test on you. You're okay. I did a bass test on that. Downright crap. I did a bass test on you, but I'm chucking you because this is what happens, guys, when you have an accident with your speakers. This happens. So we're chucking that. And if you guys didn't know, I am using the Joe by camera stand. They're very efficient, and I love to use them. They are the best ever. So, I did a bass test on the Bose. Yeah, it's a Bose that's known for bass. If you have a Bose that's 20 years old, it's not gonna really work the whole best. So, yeah. And I can tell the limiters were kicking in and all the old computer systems were kicking in. But you know what? That's just what it is. So, I'm going to do the bass test right now. Let's do it. I got my Xbox 360 controller right here. And let's feel this bass. Can you guys feel that bass? I can feel it from like right here. Let's get the remote, guys. Guys, this is crazy. This speaker's about to go. Can you guys feel the air? I can feel the air from here. I can actually feel like the legit air. Feel it with you guys. A little bit more? Okay. Dude, this is like the freaking thing. Let's see if we can find any other bass related objects. Ooh. For 500 subscribers. Guys, you think we get 500 subscribers on 500 subscribers? Let's do it. Let's see if we can get 500 on 500. We're starting at like a 20 decibels basically. And by the way, I have an extension cord, so I don't know if that increases or decreases power. Oh, I love this song. to be a banger. That is mad bass. What do you guys think so far of the knock? Comment down below right now what do you guys think of the Nakamichi, because it is lit up in here, so yeah. I mean, yeah, this is downright crap, but it's like, it's good crap, and not like terrible crap like the Sing Machine, so yeah. It's pretty cool up in here, so yeah. That's loud. And maybe I'll buy your sister the MBK 362, I think it's called. What is this? It doesn't even say, but it got 22,196. Oh, this is so Subwoofer. I'm being so savagey right now. I'm like, oh yeah, this is, oh yeah, just, yeah, okay. Alright. Okay, don't care, I don't care, this is crap. It's Nakamichi. Ready? That's only 17. Trying playing some, like, different bassy songs to just, gotta do bass test, guys. I can feel the bass from here. Not saying like negative like 2 feet away from the speaker, so yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, like, yeah, it's a knock, but it's like a good knock and not like a bad knock. By the way, guys, I will be vlogging in Florida a lot, so stay tuned for Florida's vlogs, and I will be posting a lot, so remember to sub in the videos, and you guys already know the drill, because I've been doing this for 4 straight years, so. I can already hear the distortion, and I'm at 25 Bs. I don't keep the whole Audi and the GTR thing. That should be like an 88L, and the Audi can say so. So yeah, guys, that is the speaker review about the Nakamichi NBK1. Stay tuned for more vlogs, guys. Remember to comment, subscribe, and that's it for now.